Happy Midsummer Day from Årsta Havsbad in Haninge. Yes, it is 21st of June 2025 and I am out for exploration on the sea. And I took quite a long cycling tour today to get to the sea here in Haninge, and it is my first time on the beach in Haninge this year, also on the sea as well. Now, the main part of the beach was mostly occupied and busy, so I decided to chill right here at the very beginning of the smaller part of the beach, and I'm all alone here. And I see lots of movement on the jetty, where there are also jumping platforms to get into the sea. And believe it or not, it is only 14 degrees Celsius in the sea. But we have 20 degrees Celsius in the air. As I was entering the Årsta Havsbad beach from the road, I have also shown you the Midsummer, the Midsummer, how to say, that green big thing that is being pulled up on the Midsummer Reef, which was yesterday. So they have had a big celebration here in this neighborhood, Årsta Havsbad in Haninge. And let me show you my ride today. As you might have anticipated, for a longer ride, I always take my cube. 30 kilometers one way, actually 31. It took me 1 hour and 4 minutes to get here. And 10 kilometers of the road was basically a regional road, so I was cycling along the cars, which were not that many today, as it is national holiday, Saturday, 21st of June. Look at my beach spot for today, all alone in this beautiful spot out on the sea. And the water looks so amazing and so inviting. And you know what, because it is a holiday, I would jump into the water. So I will go to the jetty and jump from there to enjoy a nice swim then in the sea. All right, so what else? Beach the number 36, and today is going to be 2 hours of bicycle rides and maybe 5 hours of hanging on the beach. Currently it is 1:30 p.m. so the day is still young, and let's celebrate Midsummer Eve with a jump into the sea. Let's go. As I'm showing you the beauty of the sandy beach and the sea right here. Now we are entering the main part of the beach. That's actually one of the top 3 beaches in Stockholm Region, I would say, because of the beautiful sea, the nature, and the big sandy part as well. Now let's go and jump from the jetty. And I'm now on the jetty, and it is time to jump from the biggest platform here on the jetty. It looks so amazing and so nice. So let's jump while I have the whole jetty just for myself. Okay, we are going to the highest one, and I didn't see anyone jumping from the highest jetty today, but it's gonna be me for sure. It looks quite scary and quite cold, but it's gonna be amazing indeed. I can also see the Midsummer from here at Årsta Havsbad, and the whole of the beach as well. that is. Right now there is nobody here on the jetty where I am. So yeah, this is what I'm facing with, and I'm only doing this because it is a holiday, a national holiday, because 14 degrees it's quite cold, but as they say, you only live once. So yeah, with this wonderful view of Årsta Havsbad, it's time for me to jump into the sea. Are you ready? Ready, set, and go! That's so amazing. So amazing and so refreshing. Beautiful midsummer jump. Is there a better celebration of midsummer than this little jump in the sea? It's beautiful. I just love it. The water is so clean, the water is so nice. You can see through the water for sure. It's beautiful. Now let's swim to my B spot, as it is so amazing despite the wind. I just love Årsta Havsbad. It is in my top 3 beaches in Stockholm Region, along with Årsta Havsbad and Stora Sand, I would say, of the public beaches, that is. It's cold, I'm not gonna lie, but refreshing at the same time, especially when you cycled 1 hour. And I'm enjoying this swim as well. Now I remember here, the last time I was here was 15th of September last year, so it's been a while, and back then there was nobody on the beach. Today quite a lot of people, but it can get even more crowded than this we have seen. Relax therapy. Beautiful. The beautiful mixture of nature and sea, it's just magnificent. That was quite a nice jump indeed. Alright, so that's a wrap from this midsummer adventure on this 21st of June from Årsta Havsbad in Haninge, Stockholm. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I'm gonna enjoy now on the beach for selected back home, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.